In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get My AI on Snapchat. Be sure to watch till the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going on Snapchat. Now, if your phone and Snapchat is completely updated, this should be a fairly easy process. It should be at the top of your Snapchat notifications, as you can see. It says that you are friends with My AI. You can change the name, ask it questions about anything, or customize their Bitmoji. Now, one thing that you can try is if you don't have My AI on Snapchat yet, you can go onto your App Store. Now, this would be an App Store or a Play Store, depending on what device you're using. You're going to go on search and just search up Snapchat. You're going to make sure that the app is completely updated. As you can see, I have an update that is needed on Snapchat, and if you don't have My AI, this may fix the issue. There is one other thing that you can try, and that is to access Snapchat support. All you would need to do that is to go onto your Snapchat once it is fully updated. I'm just going to wait a few moments for it to install. And you should be able to ask Snapchat support for any help that you need in downloading the My AI so that you have access fairly quickly. As you can see, I'm now going to go onto Snapchat and I'm going to go onto my profile, click settings, and scroll all the way down, and you are going to find something called support and say I need help. It'll open up this support box where all you need to do is type in what you need help with. So in this case, it is My AI, and it'll come up with a bunch of results on how to use it. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.